Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to all of you to our new YouTube channel, Pak Agri Farming. As you all know, we have launched this channel on 25th of May 2020, that is yesterday. We have our presence on Facebook and Blogspot till date, and you have been very responsive to us and share positive feedbacks with us till date. Now we have decided to move our content to video format on this YouTube channel. Hope you will like our videos. Make sure to share your feedback in the comments section below. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about our latest videos as they are uploaded on the YouTube. Today we are going to start our first discussion about 101 of agriculture credit in Pakistan and introduction. So let's begin. A credit facility or a loan is an agreement by which a financial institute such as a bank agrees to lend a borrower a certain amount of money for a defined period of time, and these arrangements are subject to the interest on the outstanding amount. Similarly, agriculture credit is defined as the financial support or the credit extended to the agriculture sector through formal or informal sources. Significant. Agriculture sector has a great appetite for credit requirement. Usually, the investments in the agriculture sector are long-term in nature. For example, a farmer cultivates a crop for a period of at least 4 to 9 months, and then the revenue is generated. In this period, the farmer is in requirement of working capital as well as he requires fixed asset expenditure, which can be met through financing. Sources of agri credit. Either there are informal sources or formal sources. Informal are the conventional type, for example, RTs, commission shops, or rice millers, and those all sources which are other than banks or NGOs or some sort of organization. And the formal in sources are therefore banks, microfinance institute, NGOs, and other such kind of bodies which extend credit to the farmers. State Bank of Pakistan is the regulator of banking industry in Pakistan. The grant of loans and banking policies for agriculture sectors are also governed by SBP through periodical circular policies and review of existing regulations for betterment and improvement. In Pakistan, we have specialized bank, commercial banks, microfinance institute, and non-finance companies which are extending loans to the agriculture sector as well as commercial and SME sectors. Now we have classification of agriculture credit from the formal sources based on the nature of the loan. It can be either farm credit or non-farm credit. By definition, farm credit is related to the farm, especially crops and orchard farming, and it includes all kinds of input loans, machineries, and LC or LG for the import of agriculture inputs from abroad. Non-farm credit is therefore all other loans except crops and orchards, such as loans for dairy and livestock, fisheries, poultry, feed mills. And now classification of agri credit facilities based on the tenure of facilities. It can either be short term for a period, which are the loans for the period of 1 year or less, and it can be both for farm and non-farm credit, and it is mostly for the working capital requirements of crop, dairy, poultry, or any other sector. Medium to long-term loans are loans for more than 1 year. Usually the period is from 3 to 10 years. It can be for both farm and non-farm credit facilities, and it is usually the case of fixed asset purchase, fixed asset investment, or capital expenditure, and usually in the shape of infrastructure development. List of eligible items under agriculture credit in Pakistan. The list is usually defined by the prudential regulations for agriculture and the methodology report for estimation of agriculture credit as approved and provided by State Bank of Pakistan and Agriculture Credit Advisory Committee or ACAC, and which is amended from time to time. Hope you would have liked our video and it would have been helpful for you. Make sure to leave your feedback in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care.